Hey there everyone, welcome to iPad Essential. Today we are diving into Creative Cloud on iPad. Adobe suite of apps have become incredibly powerful on mobile, but how do they stack up for serious creative work? Let's check out the top apps available on iPad and see what they have to offer. For that, let me take you to my iPad screen. And there we go. We already have installed Creative Cloud on our iPad, and here you can see the typical Creative Cloud home screen that will show you your recent file, your installed app, and then your account profile. Now if I click here on apps on the left, here I can see the number of apps available for iPad. So let's check them one by one. And also please don't forget to like and subscribe to iPad Essential if you are looking for videos and topics related to iPad productivity. Now let's jump back into our topic. So the first app here we can see is Photoshop. We all know this is a powerhouse for photo editing, and Adobe have done a solid job in translating it for iPad. And it is not just, porting one software to another platform. They made it optimized for touchscreen as well as iPad Pencil. You have got access to layers, adjustment tools, and retouching features just like desktop version. But for those of you wondering, no, it's not a complete replacement for a desktop yet. Some of features like plugins and pen tool are still missing. But for mobile editing, I would say it is perfect. If you want to see my more in-depth review on Photoshop for iPad, then check out the video that I have added in the description below. Now the next important app here, we have got this Adobe Illustrator. I would say it is all about making precision vector art. Whether you are designing a logo, illustration, or intricate vector shapes, Illustrator gives you complete control with the Apple Pencil. You can draw freehand or manipulate anchor point with just a tap. Here also in iPad you can see it have even better rating than Photoshop, which is around 1.9K rating with 4.5 star, which itself tells us how capable and how good this application is. Now let's go back to Creative Cloud. Here if we talk about the next app, we can see we are getting this Adobe Express. If you are in social media content creation, Adobe Express is incredibly useful. In past, if you remember, it was also known as Adobe Spark. It is super intuitive for making Instagram posts, flyers, or videos, even if you are not a professional designer. And then we can see here there are so many templates available to quickly get started. For example, if you like this one, we can click on or tap on it, and then we simply need to click on this remix, this premium template, and that's how I guess we can quickly get started. Now simply you need to tap on the text and then you click on edit text, and that's how you can quickly get started. Now let me just go back here to Creative Cloud, and now let's talk about the next app here, which is Adobe Scan. Adobe Scan, I would say, is a great tool to scan any document and save it as a PDF. So here you just saw how easy it was to scan and save it as a PDF. And then here we can see we have different options to further manage or manipulate it. Now again, let me go back here. And then here we can see another great offering from Adobe, which is Premiere Rush. For video creator, Premiere Rush is a lightweight, mobile-friendly video editor. You can shoot, edit, and upload straight from iPad, probably perfect for bloggers or YouTubers looking to get content out quickly. And I'm not pretty sure if somebody would like to do it that way, but still I would say it is a great ongoing lightweight video editor that's going to give you all necessary video editing features. So here on my iPad screen, we can see the interface almost look like Premiere Pro. And then we can also see some of essential tools and layers that will help you to quickly edit your video and post on the go. Now again, let me close this and let's talk about other tool. For example, here you can see we also do have this Adobe Fill and Sign that's going to help you to sign your document and form from anywhere. And then here we also have got this Lightroom that's going to help you to edit and access your photos from anywhere. Lightroom, as we know, comes with so many good tools to make your photo look incredible. Then we also do have got this Photoshop Express that's going to help you in easy editing and sharing your photo in less of a time. Then we do have Adobe Reader. Then we have got this tool known as Fresco. Fresco gives you access to thousands of brushes, including live brushes that simulate a real watercolor and oil paint. So for all the painters and illustrators out there, one should definitely try Adobe Fresco. Then apart from that, we can also see we have got this capture app that will transform your images to beautiful color palettes, vectors, font, pattern, and many more. Now let me go back again. We can also see Behance, where one can showcase their creative work, and then Aero, that will help you to create AR interactive experience. So whether you are a designer, illustrator, photographer, or social media creator, Creative Cloud on iPad has a tool that fits your workflow. From Photoshop to Illustrator, Fresco to Premiere Rush, there are so many tools that now comes with Creative Cloud on iPad. But is it a complete replacement for desktop? Not yet. For more complex projects, you still likely need to jump back to your computer. But for on-the-go creativity, the iPad version is impressive. And that's all guys from my side in this video. Creative Cloud on iPad, I would say, is a fantastic tool for anyone who is looking to be more mobile in their workflow. Also, do let me know what is your thought on Creative Cloud on iPad in comment down below. And please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more such content related to iPad productivity. And I will catch you soon with one such another video. Till then, you take care and bye-bye.